belt, Mrs. South Africa belt.
Yeah.
I didn't come with it.
Why?
Oh, girl.
Because mina ngihlala ngibona lona ku-Facebook ngik-identifya ngalo ngithi ya nangu wakandebele webhandi.
Yes.
So where's the belt today?
It's at home. So the beauty pageant was last year, and then I made it to top 10. Go Mrs. South Africa, top 10. Go finale.
You are brave, young.
Huh?
How did you get into that space? Asithome lapho ungene njani kuleso space leso se pageant?
Because I've got the love for pageant.
Okay.
At home I do abo Miss Paula Molly, you know, I've done abo Miss Kwamhlanga, Miss Strofontein. Right now I've got a big beauty pageant that I'm doing, Miss and Miss Tin Mpumalanga Tourism. It's coming. It's coming. It's long overdue now that it is. This year we have to make sure that the beauty pageant happens. It's going to be bigger and better. We are going to empower young ladies. Yeah.